Jazz is the most democratic of arts. It's a group, it's a team effort. It's sort of a mutual respect. One thing about melody, it's always coming across in a linear concept. A melody is linear, so it's basically horizontal on the page. A harmony is vertical, chords piled on top of one another. Right? And then the third thing, of course, is rhythm. Rhythm is the glue that keeps the melody and the harmony together. You have influences, you copy those influences, and then eventually you find your own language.